Hello friends, my name is Anil and I'll be your trainer, mentor, coach for mathematics for S.S.C, which is the State Board of Maharashtra. We will be having some sessions in this channel called S.S.C Algebra, and there is also another channel called S.S.C Geometry where I'll be giving free lessons in algebra as well as geometry. So we start with algebra today, and the first chapter in algebra is linear equations in two variables. Okay, so when you want to understand a particular chapter, there is some fundamentals which you need to know. Okay, linear equations in two variables. I will teach you this chapter, beginning of this chapter, and then we will be doing the problems as we move into the exercises. Okay, so let's understand what is meaning of linear equations in two variables. For that, I am going to open your textbook, which is your textbook in PDF format, and you will be able to view the textbook right now. Okay. Okay, let me just share the book. Okay, I hope everybody can see the book now. The book directly, it's open into index page. The first chapter we are going to do is linear equations in two variables. And this chapter will be from page number 1 to 29. Okay, linear equations in two variables. Now, what is the meaning of a linear equation in two variables? Okay, example is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is a linear equation which is in the general form. So here there are two variables, x and y. Okay, and x is raised to 1 and y is raised to 1. So the degree of each variable is 1. Okay, and it contains two variables here, x and y. A, B, C could be numbers. Like, for example, here you can see 3x minus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. Okay, this equation is a general form of the equation. Okay, but you can see that there are two variables, x and y, and both of them have degree as 1, and the numbers like a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 12, right? So what is a linear equation? Linear equation contains two variables minimum. Okay, it cannot be that it is having only one variable, and the degree of each of the variable should be 1. Okay, and then it is called as a linear equation in two variables. Now let us see some examples here. Okay, 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. Now, is this an equation in two variables? If you look at it carefully, m is a variable, n is a variable, and both of them can be written m raised to 1, n raised to 1. So therefore, this is a linear equation. What about the next one? Next one actually is, let me get some color in it. Okay, we have this equation where x is raised to 2 and y is raised to 1. Okay, so here the answer is no, because it is the degree of the first variable is 2. The condition is that the degree of the two variables must be equal to 1. Okay, what about this one then? Root 2x minus root 5y. So the variable x and y are there, and both of them are having the index as 1. So this is a yes here. 0x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. Now here it is showing 0x. 0x means anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So x is gone. So the equation remains like 6y minus 3. So there is only one variable here. So as we know that linear equations should have two variables. So the answer here is no. Next one, 0.3x plus 0y minus 36 equal to 0. Now in this case, 0.3x is okay, but 0y actually it is nothing but a 0, because 0 into y is 0. So the second variable is missing here. So it is a no here. What about this one? 4 upon x plus 5 upon y equal to 4. Now there the variable is there. It is x and y, but the problem is that 4 upon x plus 5 upon y. So what happens is this becomes 4x raised to minus 1 plus 5 y raised to minus 1 equal to 4. So is the index 1? Okay, because each term, the degree of each term should be 1. But in this case, you see that it is minus 1. X is minus 1 and y is also the degree is minus 1. So the answer to this will be no. Okay, this explains why it is not. Then 4xy minus 5y minus 8 equal to 0. Now if you look at it, there is a y here which is okay. But here, what is the problem here is that xy is written. Xy means x is 1 and y is 1. So both of them together, it becomes 4xy. The degree will become 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 5y is 1. But because of that degree becoming 2, the more than 3 variables are there. Or you can say that if it is 4x minus 5y minus 8, it is okay. But when you say 4xy, two variables come into picture. So total becomes 3 variables. So the answer is a no here. Okay. So this is some examples which has shown you that uh, how to find a linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now we go down. Simultaneous linear equations. Now simultaneous linear equations in two variables at the same time, they are called simultaneous equation. So here you have one equation, a linear equation, and here we have another linear equation. Both are in two variables, and the variables are also same, xy and xy. Okay, so this already you might have studied how to solve these simultaneous equations last year by eliminating one of the variable. So I'll just take these two equations and I'll show it to you on a whiteboard. Okay. Okay, here we have this particular example solved. We can have a look here. So what are the equations? 5x minus 3y equal to 8 and 3x plus y equal to 2. So how do you solve this? You multiply both sides of the equation by 3. Okay, why 3? Because here you have a 1, right? So when you multiply this equation by 3, then this becomes a 3y. And 3y plus 3y and minus 3y will get cancelled, eliminated. So we can find the value of x. Okay, so how it is? When you multiply by 3, the second equation, uh, uh, equation 2 by 3. So what happens is 3, when you multiply your 3 is a 9x plus 3y equal to 6. Okay, here we are multiplying the equation number 2 by 3. So 3 is a 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. And 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 is the equation number 1. Okay, so the equation number 2 has been converted to equation number 3 by multiplying both the sides by 3. Now what happens is this 3y and this 3y gets eliminated because when you add equation 3 and 1, then plus 3y minus 3y gets eliminated. And what is left is 9x plus 5x, which is nothing but 14x, is equal to 8 plus 6 is 14. So 14x is equal to 14. So x will be 14 upon 14, which is 1. So this is your first answer. Okay, you have found the variable, one variable you have found, x equal to 1. Then the second variable you can find by substituting in equation number 2 or equation number 1, anything will do. So suppose you take equation number 2 and 3x plus y equal to 2. So x equal to 1, so 3 into 1 plus y equal to 2, 3 plus y equal to 2, y equal to 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is nothing but minus 1. So here we got x answer and here we got y answer. Okay. So what is the solution to this equation? Xy equal to 1 minus 1. X is 1 and y is minus 1. So this is how we write. Normally in the end you can write like this. Solution set is 1 minus 1. This is one way of solving the two simultaneous equation. And there is another way of solving, which is the method 2 written here. You will get the same answer, but this is a different method. So what we do here is that we take this second equation and we write y equal to 2 minus 3x. Okay. So this is the third equation. Now what we do, we substitute this equation in 1. Okay, what is 1? 1 is 5x minus 3y equal to 8. So 5x minus 3 into what is y? Y equal to 2 minus 3x. So you substitute 2 minus 3x is equal to 8. So 5x equal to 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9x minus minus plus equal to 8. So 5x plus 9x is 14x and this minus 6 goes that side. So 8 plus 6 becomes 14. 14x equal to 14x equal to 1. So again, you got this answer, but by a different method, method number 2. Now x equal to 1, you can substitute in that equation number 3, because equation number 3 is giving you y. So y equal to 2 minus 3x. So y equal to 2 minus 3 into 1. Y minus 2, y equal to 2 minus 3 into 1 is 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So what is the solution set? Here also is the same thing. X is 1 and y is minus 1. So this is the solution, how we solve simultaneous equations. Now here we have example 2. Solve 3x plus 2y equal to 29, 5x minus y equal to 18. And let's solve the equations by eliminating y. Fill suitably the boxes below, multiplying equation 2 by 2. So what we do is that equation number 2 is multiplied by 2 because here we have a 2y, equation number 1. And when you multiply this equation by 2, you get 10x minus 2y equal to 36. So let's fill this up. So 5x, this is multiplying equation by 2. So 5x into 2 minus y into 2 is equal to 18 into 2. Okay. So 5 into 2 is 10x minus 2y equal to 18 to the, this will be 36. Okay. Now let's add equations 1 and 3. So 1 is 3x plus 2y equal to 29, and the equation number 3 just now we got is 10x minus 2y is equal to 36. So this 2y and 2y gets cancelled, and 10 plus 3 becomes 13x equal to 9 and 6, 5, 15, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 13x is equal to 65. So what will be x? X will be 65 upon 13. which is nothing but 5. So answer of x will be 5 here. Then substituting x equal to 5 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 3x plus 2y equal to 29. So x 3 into x is 5. So 5 you put here plus 2y equal to 29. So 5 3 is 15 plus 2y equal to 29. So 2y equal to 29 minus 15. And 9 minus 5 is 4 and 2 minus 1 is 1. 2y equal to 14. So y is equal to 14 upon 2, which is nothing but 7. So what is the solution to this? X is 5 and y is 7 is the solution to this problem. So this is again this is used, this has you use this method that is called as the elimination method. Okay, then coming to example 2, we have understood that. Solve example 3. Now this one is a little bit of a different type of equation. You can see that 15x plus 17y equal to 21 and 17x plus 15y equal to 11. So we call this as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now, as you can see, 15 and the number of coefficient, you can say coefficient of x is 15, coefficient of y is 15. Coefficient of x is 17 in the second equation and y is equal to 17. So in this case, the coefficients are interchanged. So when we solve this equation, you do what you do is you do addition and subtraction. So by adding both the equations, this is the place you get 15x plus 17y equal to 21. This is the first equation. Okay, and this is your second equation. We are adding both. So what happened is 21 plus 11 is 32, 17 plus 15 is 32y, and 17 plus 15 again 32x. So 32 you can take common here. So 32 you take common. So what you get is 32. Here you will get 32x plus y equal to 32. So that x plus y will be what? X plus y will be 32 upon 32. That is nothing but 1. So you got an equation now. This equation is x plus y equal to 1. You can call this as equation number 3. How did you get this equation? You got this equation by adding equation number 1 and 2. Now what we are going to do, we are going to subtract both the equations. So x plus y equal to 1, here it is ready now. Now subtracting equation number 2 from 1. Now subtracting means, you have to change the sign here. So 11 is plus, so it becomes a minus. 15 is plus, so put a minus here. 17 is plus, so put a minus here. Okay, now we are subtracting here. So 21 minus 11 is 10. 17 minus 15 is 2y. And minus 15 minus 17 is minus 2x. Okay, so what we can do here is that you can take 2 as a common. 2 common. So minus x plus y equal to 10. So minus x plus y is equal to 10 upon 2, which is equal to 5. So minus x plus y equal to 5. This becomes the fourth equation now. So we have a third equation and this we have a fourth equation. Now we take third and fourth equation together. How did you get the third equation? Third equation you got by adding 1 and 2. And fourth equation you got by subtracting 1 and 2. So the equation number 3 is x plus y equal to 1. Equation number 4 is minus x plus y equal to 5. So now, as you can see, directly this x cancels because x and minus x is opposite sign, plus x and minus x. So what you get is y plus y is 2y is equal to 1 plus 5 equal to 6. So what happens to y? Y equal to 6 upon 2. So nothing but 3. Now put this value y in equation number 3. In equation number 3, x plus y equal to 1. So x plus 3 equal to 1. X equal to 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2. So this is one answer. and this is the other answer of the two equations. And the solution set, normally you write like this. Solution set is, first you write x minus 2 and then you have 3. This is the solution to that. Okay. So children, hope you have understood this. This practice set 1 you can try on your own. Okay, and then we have a lot of equations coming up. We will try to solve these equations in the next class. That is practice set 1.1. Any questions are there? Any doubts are there? You can WhatsApp to me. My number is 996713707. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number. Okay, WhatsApp is the best way to get solutions quickly and faster. Okay, thank you very much for attending this session and hope to see you soon. This video will be available in YouTube in my channel, which is called as S.S.C. Algebra. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.